Well, here at Wimbledon we're really committed to doing as much as we can to protect the environment that we depend upon.
Thanks so much for coming over.
We have a target to bring emissions from our operations down to net zero by 2030. The solar thermal installation is hugely important because it's the first time we've used this technology on site. For Wimbledon, it's really important to collaborate with Barclays to bring in the innovation of naked energy so we can achieve our goals. It's a really important site for the championships. It's where all of the practice courts are, so it's really buzzing with players and their teams.
During the championships, the system itself is going to produce around 3,500 litres of hot water per day. And annually, that's about 6 tonnes of carbon will be saved. Over its lifetime, that'll equate to about 150 tonnes. What we have here is about a 50 kilowatt system of Virtue Hot, and what Virtue Hot does is it takes the sun's energy, which we can feel the warmth on the roof already. During the championships, this array will generate 3,500 litres of hot water, that's clean hot water, every day, which is about 100 long showers for the players and their team members in the building. And that's zero carbon heat and zero carbon hot water.
Barclays Climate Ventures is more than just a financial investor. We commit time and energy working with management teams to really help drive growth for the companies. In particular, we like to work with our companies and make introductions to Barclays clients and partners, or include them in our support programs like Unreasonable Impact. For example, here we have Wimbledon working with Naked Energy and making this fantastic installation on the Orangi practice facility.
I'm still pinching myself that we're doing this project with Wimbledon. It's very, very exciting. It's a huge achievement for us. When you think globally in terms of sporting venues, this is probably the most famous sporting venue. So to be part of that and have our technology helping contribute towards sustainable energy is an incredible honour.
Obviously there are lots and lots of players around here, having a lot of showers, so there's a huge demand on the hot water. And what's not to like about hot water powered by the sun?